In this video, I am going to show you how to download a TI-84 emulator right in your own web browser. This will allow you to use the calculator just like we are using in school. This can only be done on a computer though. This cannot be done on a phone. First, we'll need to go to the website trroms.weebly.com. I'm recommending that we download not the first or the second, but the third option, the TI-84- or TI-84 Plus. This is most similar to what we're using in class. If you click on the little page button or the download file option, you'll get a download. Mine has a 3 because I've downloaded this multiple times today. You likely will not have a number. After we've downloaded that, we'll go to this website. I will send the links out with this video. That way you have the links and don't have to write down what I'm typing. Once you're here, you'll have a red box. With that red box, it'll say terms and conditions. Just hit the button that says I agree. And then just in case, I want everyone to hit this circle button. It says load new ROM if you hover over it for a long time. Hit choose file and hit the thing that you've downloaded. That needs to be from your downloads folder. If you're having trouble finding that, go ahead and just start typing in TI-84, and then I have a list of everything that I've downloaded today. You'll likely only have the one thing. Then hit open. The calculator will blank out and it'll say RAM cleared, and now you can use your calculator just like normal. If you have any questions about how to do this or you're running into any problems, go ahead and reach out to me. If you need to find my contact information, you can look at the class app under the Contact Me tab.